one of these things, one of it is what we call candlestick. This is what we call candlestick, right? So I've explained it to you. I say it's a chart visualization. I've explained it to you. I say it's a chart visualization. Oh, this thing is a minute. That website is giving me headache. So let me just use my own trading view. If you notice, if you open your own, it will be showing you what's it called? It will be showing you if you open your own chart, it will be showing you green and red. But I changed my own color. That is why you are seeing it like that. I changed my own color. So let me go back to that currency I was explaining. So this is what we call this line you are seeing. I analyze the market, so that is why you are seeing this line. Go to another place and use something else. I want to use a better one for a good explanation. All these things, all this line are candlesticks. Okay, I'm going to explain it for you well here. And make sure if you have any question, always ask. Let me use this one. So this bigger black and green and blue is what we call candlestick. The both are called candlestick. But if you open your own, it might be showing you green and red. But I changed my own color. That is why you're seeing. So this black is the red in your own, and this blue is the green in your own chart, in your own trading view, right? Assume it like that. So so just as I explained to you, this is called candlestick. Each of these things is called candlestick, and we have type of candlestick, which is the bearish and the bullish. So you see that in your own chart, if you open your trading view, you see that green. That green is the bullish. Why the red is the bearish? Why the red is the bearish? Like over here now, what I'm having, this green is the bullish, while this black is the bearish. I'm going to explain to you how to use this application very well. But for now, we are mainly want to focus on our what's it called, candlestick, because that is our topic for today. I wanted to understand it well. Why this black? You can see this arrow. This thing I'm explaining this two in particular. Why this black is the bearish? This black in your own, it will be red. Let me change them. You want to know. This black in your own, it will be red. Okay, so, and I said what type of candlestick? Bullish and bearish. The bearish is the, okay, let me read it out for you. The bearish candlestick pattern shows gradual price movement and signify a trader that a currency or an asset is decreasing in price. So this bearish means, if this black, which is red in your own, it means that dollar is coming down. Whenever you see something like that, it means dollar came down at that particular time. But whenever you see the green, this blue in my side, it means dollar went up at that particular time. Okay. So let's head on to the next one. When I said candlestick body and wick. So this one, let me just use free space and try to draw. Let me try to draw candlestick. Let me see if I can draw a candlestick. If they say candlestick body, I beg. That's too big. Just assume it like this. If they say candlestick body, this is what we call candlestick body. Okay, this is what we call candlestick body, right? Then if they say candlestick wick, this thing you are seeing, something like this that you see in the chart. Why is it like this? I beg you. Oh, Sorry. Mm-hmm. I'm trying to do this thing well. So this line that you see there is no body in it is called the wick. Okay, it's called the wick. Okay, let me just go back to the chart. This one is hard to draw, kind of. You want the stressing. This up, this place. You see this side? This arrow I'm pointing is called the wick. While this one that I'm pointing this one that I'm pointing is called this one that I'm pointing this red arrow signifies the body of a candlestick, while that line signifies the wick of a candlestick. So note, I'll be asking you, what is the body of a candlestick? Show me the body of a candlestick and the wick of a candlestick. So the blue arrow that I'm pointing, that line that is pointing, is called the wick, and the red arrow is called the body, which I explained to you in your notes, which the candlestick body, it means the rate of a buying or selling pressure at that given time. Okay, while the wicks mean the amount of a buying and selling pressure also at a given period of time. Okay, so that is what it means. Like this one is green. If I'm to do red, it means, so like this is a bullish candlestick. If I'm to change it to a red, if I'm to change it to red, it means bearish candlestick. Just as I explained to you what bullish and bearish candlestick mean. Okay, so another thing you need to know, at this point you need to know when a candlestick opens and when a candlestick closes. If it's a bearish candlestick, let me take out this arrow because you've understand that one already. If it's a bearish candlestick, if a bearish candlestick open, now how to know where a bearish candlestick open? This is over here, this up here, what is this? Sorry, a minute. Over here, this is where a bearish candlesticks open, right? This is where a bearish candlesticks open. Then if it's a green, which is a bullish candlesticks, if it's green, which is bullish candlestick, if you want to know where this candlestick open, is over here, so let me take it to the real chart now so you see. So I guess you can now signify where a bearish candlestick is open and a bullish candlestick open. So let me go to the lower time frame, so you will see how the market opens. Let me come to the 1 minute, so you see it fastly how to see where the market open. So just take your time and I'll be explaining as the market is moving. This is a real live market, so you can see this is trying to tell you that dollar is going up. This is trying to tell you that dollar is going up, right? You can see where the bullish candlestick now open. You can see where it opens. So just take your time to watch. Now this is trying to tell you this is a bearish candlesticks, and you can see where it opens. If the market should move up where more than where it opens, it will automatically turn to a bullish candlestick. But if it remains at this level, if it comes down below where it opens, it will automatically turn to a bearish candlestick. Don't understand it clearly. If the market go above where it opens, that is a bullish candlestick. If it goes below where it opens, is a bearish candlestick. Okay, now look at where the next candlestick will open. Just be watching. This is a 1 minute. I'll still be teaching you what is time frame. Okay, but for now we are dealing on candlestick. You can see where the next candlestick just open now. If the candlestick should come down, just like it just did now, is a bearish candlestick. If it should go up, it will turn to a bullish candlestick. So just be watching. Yeah, it has turned to a bullish candlestick. And what is that line? That line that you are seeing is called wick. And if you see a small body, it means there is no much buyer or seller in the market. Like this is what we call, this pattern is what we are going. Okay, now you can see there are more sellers in the market now. I hope you understand. There are more sellers in the market. I hope you're understanding. You can see there are more sellers in the market. Let's see where the next candlestick will open. That line, remember what is that line called? That is called the wick. Then this thing, this fat something is called the body. Don't forget. Okay, now you can see this candlestick. If you go above, it's called, you can see the next one just open now. The next one just open. If you go up, you can see now it's bullish, trying to go bullish. Now it has gone down, which is bearish. Okay, you can see this line you just leave. It means the wick, and it's trying to tell you that the market has once come to that level. Okay, yeah. So take your time to watch, and also go to your chart, watch this thing, and be able to explain it to yourself. Okay. Now let's see where the next candlestick will open. Now what are you going to call this one? This black candlestick, when it closes like that, is what we call bearish. But now that it closes above it's where it's open, it's called bullish. Now that this one is going up above where it opens, it's called bullish. This is where the candlestick opens. Over here is where the candlestick open. Over this arrow I'm showing you is where the candlestick open. Let me use a better one. Over here is where the candlestick open. I'll use another example for the next candlestick that will open. Now let's wait for the next candlestick. You can see now this is where the next candlestick just open now. If you go above, you can see it automatically bullish. If you come below where it opens, it will turn bearish. I've explained this thing several times, so I believe you now understand. Okay, if you have any question, let me know. If you have any question, I'll be posting this video. So it's your favorite trader, Mr. FOREX Ready. If you want to learn candlestick, this is the full tutorial on what candlestick means. Okay, just as I say, you can join our private mentorship. Okay, you can join our private mentorship like the guy I made this video for. He has the notes. I'm just trying to explain to him on the chat what candlestick fully means. Okay, so you can join our private mentorship. We are active. I will give you the best taste about forex trading. So that is it, and thank you so much for your time. So always go to your chat and practice this. Okay.